Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is crack-a-lacking? Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a high level. This is your 1 minute motivation for today, and here is your quote. If you can't find a way, why not just create one? There will always be difficult moments that you face on a daily basis. Some will be easy to deal with, while others, not so much. The point here is to just keep pushing forward, attempt after attempt. Each failure is only feedback to what didn't work, and if you run out of ideas, maybe it's time to create a brand new way. This could be the way that works this time.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.